Before we begin this video, I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land that I'm recording on today, the Wurundjeri Woi-wurrung and Bunurong Bunwurrung peoples of the Eastern Kulin, and to pay my respects to their elders past, present, and emerging. This presentation will explain the concepts of qualitative and quantitative research. Quantitative research is statistical in nature and is usually represented with numerical data that can be easily presented in a table or graph. Quantitative research is used to establish general information about a subject, so it often requires many research participants. Here are some keywords that will help you locate quantitative research articles using Endeavour's databases. Survey, in which multiple research participants are asked the same questions. Randomized control trial, a clinical trial in which research participants are randomly assigned to either an experimental group or a control group. Cohort study, in which research participants are interviewed on multiple occasions over an extended period of time. And statistical, a common term associated with quantitative research that is unlikely to relate to qualitative research articles. Let's use some of these keywords in an advanced search. By using Boolean operators like OR and, we can create an advanced search that will find quantitative research articles that relate to a particular subject, as can be seen on screen. Using those search parameters, I was able to find this quantitative article. We can identify it as a quantitative article because, as we discussed earlier, quantitative research is based on statistical information. To contrast, qualitative research explores the experience of an individual through interviews and discussions. The goal of qualitative research is to provide deeper insight on a topic by providing information from the perspective of a research participant. Because of its more personal nature, qualitative research usually involves a smaller pool of research participants than quantitative research. Here are some keywords that will help you find qualitative research articles using Endeavour's databases. Case study, in which an individual research participant's real-life circumstances are explored in relation to a particular topic. Focus group, in which a small group of research participants from a particular demographic answer questions in a moderated setting. Interview, a common qualitative research method that involves asking questions to collect data. And narrative, a common term associated with qualitative research that is unlikely to relate to quantitative research articles. Let's use these keywords in another advanced search. By using the same Boolean operators that we used before, OR and, we can put together an advanced search that will help us find qualitative research articles that discuss a particular topic, as can be seen on screen. That search helped me find this qualitative research article. We can identify it as a qualitative article because, as we discussed earlier in the video, qualitative research is based on the experience of individuals and is often conducted through interviews and discussions. To summarize, quantitative research concerns itself with objective information provided by a group, while qualitative research focuses on the subjective experience of an individual. For more information on this topic, you can consult the Research Design Library Guide, which contains information on specific types of qualitative and quantitative research. If you require assistance with finding qualitative and quantitative research articles, please contact your campus librarian or the virtual librarian service. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your endeavours.